Today we will learn different type of functions. Functions are categorized in Excel as per their functionality. Today we will talk about text functions. How to play with the text. Suppose this is your source data, Anil Kumar, Raj. This is your source data and you want to convert this text into uppercase. Simple formula is there, equal to upper bracket start. I will select the cell, close the bracket, magic, enter the key. Now when you will enter, you will see all the letters have been automatically changed into upper letter. Now if I will autofill, you can see all the letters are converted into capital letters. Now the second magic, how to convert the letters into small letters. Lower bracket start, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. All the letters are converted into small letters. Autofill, you can see now all the words are converted into small letter. Proper. Now every word in proper function, every word will be converted into proper function, proper way. Like first letter capital, rest of the letters are in small letters. Now proper, bracket start, Anil Kumar, B3. So Anil's A is capital, Kumar's K is capital. Rest of the letters are in small letters. Now you can see every word has been, every cell, every word has been converted into proper function. Now in all these three cells, all these three upper, lower and proper, you can see few letters are not left aligned. Let us make them left aligned. I am clicking on left. Then I clicked on right, center, right. So some letters are now set correctly on the right side, but Sunidhi not. Because there is some space after Sunidhi. When I align them on left, then B and Tripti are not left aligned. Why? Because there is space given before and after Anil, Tripti, and one more was there. See, which was Sunidhi. Now you can see. How to get rid of this problem? We will use trim function equal to trim Anil Kumar. Enter. You can see now all the characters are left aligned. Now the extra space has been trimmed. If I use now equal trim and I use Bajaj, sorry, equal to trim, bracket start, Bajaj, bracket close, enter. So all the letters are left aligned and extra space is trimmed. Equal to trim, bracket start. I take data from source file, cell Anil Kumar, B3, enter. Now they are left aligned, but same problem is there. Some letters are in capital, some are in small. If I want all the letters to be trimmed as well as to be capitalized, how to use that? So in that case, I have to merge two formulas. Now I will remove this and you see how I am combining two functions together. Like upper, you want to convert the data into upper, as well as it should be trimmed. So again, I will use the bracket. I will take the source data. I will close the bracket. Enter. I have to put two enters. I have to press, two brackets. Anil Kumar. Now I will autofill. You can see the data is converted into capital letters as well as it is left aligned, extra spaces removed. Now I will show you, I will make them right aligned. Now you can see that Sunidhi's extra space has been also removed. Now I will use the exact formula. What does the exact formula do? We will see. Exact, we will open the bracket. Now you can see this Anil Kumar comma, this Anil Kumar. You can see the blue and the pink boxes. So we are comparing these two. Enter. They are same, true. But few are false. Why this is false? Because there is a space before B Kumar. Here there is no space B Kumar. Sunidhi, there is rights in the right, there is a space. So this is also false. Now Tripti, you can see extra space. Now Randeep. Randeep, you can see, just see carefully these two Randeeps. Here extra space in between. Extra space in between. Randeep, there are two spaces. There are two spaces between this Randeep, and here there is only one space after trimming. So trim function not works only on the left side, not function only on the right side, but also works in the center also. So this is also false. Now I will show you other functions. See, now how can we play with the other functions? Left function. Suppose I want to know how many characters are there, which characters are there on the left hand side, first 4 characters. So what will I do? I will write equal to sign, leftmost character it will pick up. This, how many characters? Suppose 3. So it will give us the output, the first 3 character from the source. So Anil Kumar means first 3 letters are A and I. Autofill, BHI, RAJ, SUN. When do we use it? Sometimes we want to write it January, February, March. We want to pick up these first 3 characters. At that time, we can write left 3. Right. Now it will give us the last 3 right characters of our source. Now, which is our source? Suppose Anil Kumar, 3 characters. So can you guess that what will be the last 3 characters? It will be MAR. So if it is 5 characters, see, 5 characters, then Kumar. Can you see? Now mid. In the mid function, we will find out the middle value. Suppose this function. Now what we have to write? What we have to write? Just one sec. Equal to mid. Now the source data from 3rd character, next 5 characters. So it has started from the 3rd character. Which is the 3rd character? Anil Kumar. 3rd character is I, and next 5 characters are I, L, K, and U. Now how to concat? So you can see Anil Kumar, true. These are the 2 different things. We want to concat them. We want to join them. What we have to use? Equal to concat, bracket start. Suppose Anil Kumar, comma, 2 quotes, hyphen, 2 hyphens, suppose I want, bracket close, comma, true, bracket close. Enter. Now you can see Anil Kumar, true. If I autofill this, so those who are false, it's written false. Those who are true, it's written true. So they are concatenated, they are joined together. Now you will say that, teacher, you have taken so much of time, Bindu. Instead of that, there is another way to do. The simple and the easier and the very quickly we can do is use of Control E. That is our magic key. Suppose I want to write Bajaj in capital. I will write capital. Sharma, I will write capital. Now 2 letters I have written in capital. Suppose I have a row of a column of 50, there are 50,000 rows. Then I will just convert 2 and I will select both of them and drag. So Bajaj Sharma, this will not sort our problem. So what to do? I will select these 2 and I will press Control E. I will select this and I will press Control E. Sorry. I will select that column and press Ctrl E. Automatically, the whole data has been converted into lower letter. Now, if I do Bajaj in the small letter, Bajaj Sharma in the small letters, I will select this and I will press Ctrl E. Data is converted into this. Now, if I do Bajaj Sharma, these two I have done, then I will select the data. I will press Ctrl E. Within a minute, it has been done. Suppose I want to do anything. I need to type 2 and rest of the things can be easily done. But here the magic is, suppose I want to change AHUJA into Guinea. There is no change in the data. That is the problem of Control E. Now you see, as I have explained you, what is the use of this upper formula. I have selected this, close this, enter. Now you can see Bajaj, all the letters are changed into converted into capital. But because I have used the function, if I make it to AHUJA, now can you guess what will happen? Yes, correct. You are correct. It will convert into capitals and the data source, whatever is written in the source data has been automatically changed into the data where we want to make changes. So Control E is a good way of doing the things where we know that we are not going to have any change in the data. But if there will be change in the data, then we have to use these functions. Upper, lower, proper, trim, and exact, concat, they are very useful text functions. I hope you will like the video. And if you like the video, kindly press on thumb button, like button, and subscribe the video and the channel. Thank you.